Dear student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our next question is put the correct sign less than, greater than, or equal to in the box. Our first part is 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. We have to see which fraction is greater 3 upon 5 or 4 upon 5. Here the denominator of both fraction is same. In that cases we see the numerator of fraction. Here 3 is less than 4, so we will put the less than sign. That means 3 upon 5 is less than 4 upon 5, or we can say 4 upon 5 is greater than 3 upon 5. Next one is 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. Here denominator is also same, so we will see numerator. Here the numerator is 4 and in this one the numerator is 2. 4 is greater than 2, so we will put the greater than sign. That means 4 upon 7 is greater than 2 upon 7. Next part is 2 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. The denominator of both fraction is 9 and numerator is 2 and 5. 5 is greater than 2, so we will put this sign. That means 5 is greater than 2, or we can say 2 is less than 5. Next one is 3 whole 1 upon 5 and 1 whole 3 upon 5. This is mixed fraction. Here the part of a whole is 3 and in this one is 1. 3 is greater than 1, so we will put greater than sign. That means 3 whole 1 upon 5 is greater than 1 whole 3 upon 5. Next one is 2 whole 4 upon 5 and 4 whole 2 upon 5. In this fraction denominator is same and the whole part of this is 2 and this one is 4. 4 is greater than 2, so we will put this sign. That means 2 whole 4 upon 5 is less than 4 whole 2 upon 5. And next fraction is next part is 5 whole 3 upon 9 and 48 upon 9. This one is mixed fraction and this is improper fraction. First of all we will change this one into improper fraction. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 added 3 is 48. 48 upon 9. This one is also 48 upon 9. That means both fractions are equal. In our next part is 3 whole 9 upon 11 and 4 whole 8 upon 11. In this fraction the denominator is same and the whole part of first one is 3 and next one is 4. 4 is greater than 3, that means 3 whole 9 upon 11 is less than 4 whole 8 upon 11, or we can say 3 whole 9 upon 11 is less than 4 whole 8 upon 11. Dear student, you can proceed the same with next part in which the denominator are same. Now I will show how to compare the fraction in which the denominator are different. I have taken one part 7 upon 8 and 8 upon 11. We have to check which one of them is greater. First of all, we will multiply the numerator of one fraction with the denominator of other fraction. 7 into 11 equal to 77 and 8 into 8, that means numerator of one and denominator of other equal to 64. 77 is greater than 64. That means 7 upon 8, and the numerator of which fraction, when we multiply it with the denominator, is greater. That means 7 upon 8 is greater than 8 upon 11. Dear student, you can proceed and the same with next part. 7 upon 8 and 8 upon 11. In this fraction, the numerator are different. In that case, first of all, we will multiply the numerator of first with the denominator of other. That is 7 times 11. 7 times 11 is 77, and 8 times 8 is 64. Now 77 is greater than 64. That means 7 upon 8 is greater than 8 upon 11. Dear student, you can proceed the same with next part. In our next question, find the value of following. First one is 3/5 of 30. We have to find the 3/5 of 30. Of mean multiply 3/5 or multiply 30, or 3 upon 5 of 30. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Now we will multiply 3 with 6. 3 times 6 is 18. That means 3/5 of 30 is 18. Next part is 5/8 of 32. Of mean multiply, yani 5 upon 8 multiply 32. Here 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Now we will multiply 5 with 4. 5 multiply 4. 5 multiply 4 is 20. That means 5/5 of 32 is 20. Next part is 5/11 of 77 of mean multiplication. No, 11 times 1 is 11. 11 times 7 is 77. Now we will multiply 5 with 11. 5 multiply 7 is equal to 35. Dear student, you can proceed the same with next part.